Welcome back. Currently, we are learning Python, and this is day 16 of the playlist titled Python Beginner Boost. So, in this video, we will learn about modules and packages in Python. So, modules and packages are essential concepts that help organize and reuse code effectively. Modules are files containing Python definitions and statements, while packages are directories that contain multiple modules. In this video, we will explore how to work with modules and packages in Python. So before starting about modules and packages, let's learn how to import modules. So to use functions, classes or variables defined in a module, you need to import the module into your code. So let's try to import a module called math. It is already in the Python library. So we will import the module math, and from the math module, we will use the square root method to calculate the square root of a number. So we will store the square root into the variable called result, and we will use the square root method. So for that we have to use the name of the module math. After that, the name of the method, which is square root, and inside it we will pass a number for which we want to calculate the square root. So I am passing 16, and let's save it. And when I print the variable called result, it will print the square root of 16, which is 4. Let me execute the code python 3, and the name of the file is main.py, and press enter. As you can see on screen, if I make it big, 4.0 is printed on screen. Let's try to use some more method of the square root math module. So we need to calculate the factorial. So factorial is equals to math, and we will use the factorial method. And I want to calculate the factorial of 6. If you don't know what is factorial, the factorial is the multiplication of the number. So if I want to calculate the factorial of 6, then I will multiply 6 with 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. That's how we calculate factorial. So let me print the factorial, and if I go to the terminal and execute the command, you can see on screen 720 is printed, which means 6 into 5, which is 30, 30 into 4, 120, 120 into 3, 360, 360 into 2, 720. That's why 720 is printed. Now if you want to don't import everything from the module, but only want to import a specific thing, then you can use uh, you can change this import statement as from math import. I only want to import square root, so I will import square root. And now if I execute the code, it will give me some error because math is not defined here. We are directly importing the square root, so we will not use math here, and also we will not use math here. Now let's execute the code again. You will see on line number 10 we will get some error because factorial we haven't imported, because we have only imported the square root. As you can see, factorial is not defined. But let me just remove this, and on like here we are printing the result of square root of 16, which is 4.0. So that's how you import specific things from a module. So this is how you import modules in a Python file. Now let's learn about how to create and import custom modules, the modules which we will create by ourselves. So we can create our own module by defining functions, classes or variables in a separate Python file with a .py extension. Let's say we have a file named my_module_py with the following content. So let's create a Python file. So this is my_module.py. So this is the module which we are creating by ourselves, and here we will like create a function called def uh, greet, and it will print on screen. Print, I want to print hello world from my underscore module. So this is, I have created the module. Now I will show you how to use this module. So we will go to our main.py and we will import the name of the module, which is my underscore module, and we are imported our module. Now we will call the method of that module. So the name of the method is greet, and now if I execute this method here, then it will print on screen a hello world from my module. Currently it is showing warning because we haven't used the name of the module. So if I execute this code, it will give me an error, name greet is not defined, because it is searching for greet in this main.py file. So we have to use my underscore module dot greet. Now I am saying my interpreter that I want to use the greet method from the module named my module. So if I execute the code again, you will see hello world from my module is printed on screen. So this is how you create and use modules in Python. Now let's learn about how to create and use packages in Python. So packages are directories that contain multiple modules. So to create a package, you need to have a directory with an empty file named underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. So I will create one folder here, and this is my package, and under that I will create one file underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. So this empty file should be always there if you need to create a package. And now inside this package I will create some modules. So let me create one module, my underscore module 1.py, and I will create one more module, my underscore module 2.py, and press enter. So I have created two modules. Let me create some methods in it. So def greet, and here I want to print greeting from my module 1 inside my package. So we are creating from this file, and now I will copy this code again and paste it into the second module, and here I will write my module 2 inside my package. Now in order to use these packages into this main.py file, you have to use import the name of the package. The name of the package is my package, and after that we will write the name of the module which we want to import this package. Suppose I only want to import my module 1, so I will write my module 1. And now in order to use this method, we will write the name of the package, my package dot my module 1, and after that I want to use the greet method, and I can execute the code. So now if I execute the code, you will see on screen greeting from my module inside my package is printed. So this is how you create packages in Python. So first of all, we have learned about using the existing Python module. So here we are importing the math module, and we are importing only the square root method. So if you want to import only specific part of a module, then you use from package name import that specific thing. So here we are importing square root from the module name. Now in order to create a module, you need to create a Python file and write the code there, and in order to use the custom module, you have to use import keyword. After that we have to use the name of the module, and if you want to only import a specific thing from a custom module, then we can do it similarly, like we can use from my module import the method. Now in order to create packages, so package is, what is a package? Package contains multiple modules. So packages are directories that contain multiple modules. So to create a package, you need to have a directory with an empty file called underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. So we have to create an empty file with this name inside our package, and after that we can create as many modules as I want and write the method inside that. And in order to use the packages into a Python file, you have to import the package. So import, then package name, after that the specific module which we want to import. And in order to use the methods or classes of that module, you can use it using the package name, the name of the module, and the content which you want to use. So that is it in the video on packages and modules in Python. I hope you are able to understand how to create and use packages and modules in Python. So please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share it with your friends, and also post about it on social media channels and tag me. Thank you very much.